Hi, so in this video, we will see how to install the G999 wallet, the cold wallet. So first we will open a browser. We will enter the address G999main.net. And here we will scroll down to G999 wallets. So there is web wallet and a hard wallet. So there's two types of wallet and you can download both. So we're going to download the desktop wallet, which is the cold wallet. So you will pick up the operating system corresponding to your computer. So I will take Windows 64-bit. I'll click on it. You have to click to download. So I will save it. And now I will go to my download. So here I see that I have the download of the G999. So I'll double click on it to open it. And here I will click on extract all. So select the destination, extract. Now that if I click on the folder, I see that I have here the G999-QT. This is the application of the wallet. So I will open it. So first my computer says that it doesn't want to install the application. So I'll just click on more info and I click on run anyway. So I have a message, welcome to G999 Core. As this is the first time the program is launched, you can choose where G999 Core will store its data. G999 Core will download and store a copy of the G99 blockchain. At least a gig of data will be stored in its directory, and it will grow over time. The wallet will also be stored in this directory. Use the default data directory or use a custom data directory. I will use the default one and click OK. And here I see how many gigs of free space I have available. So I have more than enough. See where I click on private network. I will remove the public network and I will click on allow access. So it's loading the wallet, as we can see here. So we're almost at the end of the downloading. So now I have the wallet installed, but as I can see here, it's out of sync. And here I see that I have 19 weeks behind to upload. And now I see that it's synchronizing with the network. So I have 19 weeks of uploading to do and catching up to do. So I need to let the wallet just do its work. It takes a couple of hours to be doing. So I will speed up the process and we will see when the wallet will be up to date. So 1 hour later, we're still at 14 weeks behind. So we got 5 weeks in 1 hour. So more hours to go. 3 hours later, we're still 3 weeks behind. So we're still going. Now after almost 4 hours, I am just 7 days behind. So we almost completed the updating. Now that I see I have a couple of hours left behind and the process is still going on. So now I'm on the synchronizing part, which goes fairly quick in the beginning, but we will stay at 75% for a long time. So we're still in the process. So after this synchronization that took really long time, at the 75% it stays stuck. It took roughly 6 hours to update the whole wallet from 19 weeks. So once the wallet has been updated and ready to receive coins to set up your Masternode, what you will do is you will go back to the website G999main.net, and this time we're going to scroll all the way up to the top and we're going to click on Masternodes, and here it would give you what are the requirements, what is a Masternode and what are the requirements to host a Masternode on your own, because you need a virtual private server. So this is a website that you would need, a computer that you would need if you were to host your private server on your own, or you can have them host it for you. As you can see, check out our community, Masternode setup services, fast, secure, reliable, full setup with server included. So we're going to click on access now. We're going to choose, so there's different packages. We have 1 year configuration for the cost of $250 USDT to host a Masternode. There's the reconfiguration in case you change computer. And if you missed an appointment, you can reschedule your appointment because you cannot lose your appointment. So I'm going to configure my Masternode. Put your name. And here you will click next step. So they will ask you in what currency you would want to pay, because you have to pay the 250 USDT upfront. So I will choose BTC and I will click on pay now. And it's telling me how many BTC it is. So it's 0.0067 roughly. And it's telling me that I could either scan the QR code or I can scan the QR code below in order to make the payment. Click on the address to copy it. So I'm going to click on the address, select it, copy. And what I will do is I will go to my GS Trade Exchange account, log in with my credentials, and here I would go in and I would deposit. So I will need my 2FAs. And I'm inside now. This is my wallet. So in my Bitcoin, I have enough UADT. So I will click withdraw. Please select a wallet. So I will say save a new wallet. The blockchain address, I will paste it. Address, I will say G999 main.net Masternode. And the amount is, I will copy it. So this is what I will do. And save new address and submit. Create a withdrawal. Please confirm your withdrawal over. So with the address, transaction fees. So it's asking me to enter my 2FA. Confirm. It asks me to go to my email. So this is the email I received with the key of the wallet to which I would withdraw money to. So I will click approve. And then I will have from a refresh of a browser, I will see that my action has been approved. So now if I refresh my balance, as I could see I had before 0.012, equivalent to roughly 788 USDT. If I refresh, I have 0.013521. So they took the Bitcoin. So if I go back to my merchant, I see that it's processing. After 6 minutes, we went to step 1 out of 3, and we are waiting for the 3 steps to be completed. So I will fast forward this process. So we can see that 7 minutes later, the step 2 is starting, and we're going to see how long this will take. So it took 40 minutes for the step 2 to be completed. And now I can see that I have a message of confirmation telling me that the package is designated for people who need a Masternode configuration. I will receive 1 year VPS configuration of my Masternode. And I have the confirmation of my email, and they will contact me within 72 hours to confirm the appointment. So one last step that is important once you have updating your wallet and installing it on your computer, close your wallet. So you will see that it's shutting down. All right. And your wallet was in your download, and this is this application that you see right here. So as a good practice, we like to delete the downloads once we have done with it. But most importantly, do not delete this folder, G999 1.0, because you will delete your wallet and you will have to redo the steps all over again. So once your wallet is closed, what you will do is you will move this folder into your documents, move here, and now you can safely delete all the folder and files that you have into download. And now you will be able to go to your documents, open it, and open your wallet from this application. Allow access. It's loading your wallet. And now you have your wallet that is downloaded, and you still do a synchronizing additional data for when the moment that the wallet was offline. And at least your wallet is up to date. So you will still let it synchronize every time you will open it. But most importantly, do not delete this folder because you would not want to have to redo everything all over again. You don't want to lose your wallet. So these are the final steps regarding the cold wallet of G999.